There's a tornado coming? Yeah, we have to get in the basement. No, I am not going in the basement. Why? Because it is scary. Not as scary as a tornado. Yes, it is. I would much rather die from a tornado than get possessed by a ghost. Does anyone know where the tornado actually is? I think it blew your high school away. Wait, my high school? Yeah. Oh my goodness, I am a tornado supporter. Yeah, tornado, go tornado. Yes, no more school for me. Does anyone else really just want to go into the tornado and see what it looks like? No, you will die. Do we really know that though? Yes. Are we 100% sure? Yeah, 110%. Well, I guess we'll find out anyways. Come on, we have to go. The tornado's coming. Are you forgetting something? No. I left the fridge open. Nope, something else. I forgot to get the kids. Hey, it's a tornado, run! Why is everyone running away? Why didn't we choose to move to California? There's no tornadoes in California. Yeah, but there's wildfires. Oh, yeah. My house is crooked. I didn't even know that your house could be crooked. This place is a mess. I mean, might as well just burn the whole place down. This place looks like trash. Where am I? I actually survived. Oh my goodness. Where am I? You're in Canada. Canada? I'm from Florida.